This is door. It is used to keep our home safe. We open our door to go in and out. We knock on door to visit friends. This is window. Sunlight comes in through a window. We look outside through window. Fresh air comes when we open window. This is table. We eat food on table. We draw and write on table. We keep books and toys on table. This is chair. We sit on a chair to rest. We use a chair to eat at the table. We stand on chair to reach high things with adult help. This is sofa. We sit on a sofa to relax. We watch TV together on sofa. We read books on comfy sofa. This is television. We watch cartoon on television. We learn new things from TV show. We enjoy movies with family on TV. This is lamp. A lamp gives us light to see. We turn on a lamp when it is dark. We use a lamp to read book at night. This is smartphone. We talk to family on a smartphone. We learn with fun apps on a smartphone. We take photos with a smartphone. This is a clock. A clock tells us what time it is. We use a clock to know when to wake up. A clock helps us be on time for school. This is a cupboard. We keep our clothes in a cupboard. We store toys and books in cupboard. A cupboard helps keep our room neat. This is a refrigerator. A refrigerator keeps our food cold. We store milk and fruits in a refrigerator. It helps keep food fresh and safe to eat. This is a toothbrush. A toothbrush helps us clean our teeth. We use a toothbrush with toothpaste. We brush our teeth every morning and night. This is a mirror. We see our face in a mirror. A mirror helps us comb our hair. We use mirror to get ready. This is a shoe. Shoes protect our feet when we walk. We wear shoes when we go outside. Shoes keep our feet clean and safe. This is a food plate. We eat our meals on a food plate. A food plate holds yummy food for us. We use a food plate at lunch and dinner. This is a spoon. We use spoon to eat soup and rice. A spoon helps us eat without our hands. We hold a spoon to feed ourselves. This is broom. We use broom to sweep floor. A broom helps keep our home clean. We push broom to collect dust and dirt. This is dustbin. We throw waste and trash in dustbin. A dustbin keeps our home clean and tidy. We use dustbin to collect garbage. This is blanket. We cover ourselves with a blanket to stay warm. A blanket makes us feel cozy at bedtime. We use a blanket when we sleep or rest. This is bucket. We fill bucket with water for bathing. A bucket helps us carry water. We use bucket to wash and clean. This is soap. We use soap to wash our hands and body. Soap make bubbles that clean away germs. We rub soap to stay clean and healthy. This is towel. We use towel to dry our body after a bath. A towel keeps us warm and dry. We rub a towel to wipe water off. This is bathroom. We use the bathroom to keep our body clean. We go the bathroom to brush and bathe. The bathroom is where we wash our hands. This is sink. We wash our hand in the sink. A sink gives us water to brush our teeth. We use sink to clean dishes and fruits. This is stove. We use a stove to cook food. A stove makes fire to heat pot and pan. Grown-ups use the store to make meals for us. This is crib. A crib is safe place for babies to sleep. We put babies in crib for a nap time. A crib keeps littles one cozy protected.
This is a toy box. We keep our toys in toy box. A toy box helps us clean after playtime. We open toy box to find toys we like. This is a lunch box. A lunch box carries our food to school. We keep food fresh in a lunchbox. We open our lunchbox at lunchtime. This is a laundry bag. We put dirty clothes in laundry bag. A laundry bag helps carry clothes to wash. We keep messy clothes in one place with a laundry bag. This is a washing machine. A washing machine cleans our dirty clothes. We put soap and clothes in the washing machine. The washing machine spins to make clothes clean. This is a keychain. A keychain holds all our keys together. A keychain helps us not lose our keys. Keychains can have fun shapes and colors. This is a door handle. We use a door handle to open and close doors. A door handle helps us go in and out of rooms. We turn the door handle gently with our hand. This is a dining table. We eat our meals together at the dining table. A dining table gives everyone a place to sit. We share food and talk at the dining table. This is a photo frame. We put our favorite pictures in a photo frame. A photo frame helps us remember special moments. We keep photo frames on tables or walls.